In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a new font to Pagefly. Let's dive into making your online store aesthetically unique with just a few simple steps. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're on the Shopify login page, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're not already familiar, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage your business. Once logged in, you'll need to head over to your Pagefly dashboard. Pagefly is an advanced page builder used within Shopify to create eye-catching, high-converting pages. In your dashboard, find the menu and click on the option labeled Extra Functions. This section is where you can access a variety of advanced tools that Pagefly offers. When you're in the Extra Functions area, you'll want to look for the section titled Uploaded Fonts. Here, you'll see a Manage button. Clicking this will open up the Uploaded Fonts Manager. Once there, you'll spot the Upload Font button. Go ahead and click it. You'll then be prompted to choose a font file from your computer. Be mindful of the allowed formats, which are BUOF, TTF, and OTF, as these are the standard web font formats. After selecting your desired font file, confirm that it has uploaded successfully. You should receive some indication on the screen that your font is now part of your uploaded collection. With your font uploaded, it's time to apply it to your page designs. Navigate to the Global Styles section. This is where you can make changes that affect the look and feel of your entire site. Within the Global Styles, head to the Typography parameter and give it a click. This is the central hub for altering the text styles across your site. Now move to the Styling tab to tweak and refine your typography settings. In the Font Family parameter, you'll notice a small settings icon. Click on that icon, which will reveal various font options. In the drop-down menu, select Uploaded Fonts. Here, you should see the font you've just uploaded. Choose it, and then click Select to apply it. After doing so, you'll still need to assign this custom font to appropriate typography types. This can be done through the drop-down menus available. Be sure to choose the typography types you want your new font to apply to, perhaps your headings, body text, or even button text. The final step is to make sure all your changes are saved. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure your new font settings are applied. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully uploaded and configured a new font on Pagefly, adding a fresh, unique look to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy designing.